Morning.
Full fishing is closed Sundays and Mondays.
Oh, yeah, I just moved from Hawaii. Thank you. Right there. Says we close Mondays, or Sundays and Mondays. So we're closed, gang. So no fishing. No fishing. This is why we're on the Nisqually River, gang. I was wondering why nobody around. That's pretty cool, huh? Okay, so no fishing on a Sunday and a Monday. No pole fishing. So we learned something. All right, we're good. Anyway, so we learned something today. No fishing in the Nisqually River. I don't know where else, but no fishing in the Nisqually River. That was pretty nice. That was probably game warden there. Anyway, again, WWJ, whipping with Joe. So you gotta know the rules over here, otherwise he'll tag us. Anyway, again, WWJ, whipping with Joe. We were whipping with this bead. I learned that from Tim, a hook, half ounce weight. And we got the HMG inshore 7-footer. And we've got the Osprey CE 4000. One of my field tested reels, which I recommend. From Fishing Florida Products. Aloha.